Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to use a PS4 controller on your tablet. First, let's ensure your tablet is ready. Your device needs to be running at least Android 10 or iOS 13 for proper compatibility. Also, check that your DualShock 4 controller has sufficient battery life. It's best to start with a fully charged controller to avoid interruptions. Finally, confirm your controller is completely turned off before proceeding to the next step. Now, let's put your PS4 controller into pairing mode. Find the small share button, located to the left of the touchpad, and the central PlayStation button. Press and hold both of these buttons at the same time. Keep holding them for about 3 to 5 seconds. You'll know it's in pairing mode when the light bar on the top of your controller begins to flash white rapidly. With your controller flashing, it's time to connect it to your tablet. Go to your tablet's main settings application. From there, find and tap on the Bluetooth option. Make sure Bluetooth is toggled on. Your tablet will then scan for nearby devices. Look for wireless controller or DualShock 4 wireless controller in the list of available devices and tap it to pair. Once successfully paired, the light bar on your controller will stop flashing and turn a solid color, often blue, red, or pink, depending on your tablet. You are now ready to play many compatible games on your tablet with enhanced control. When you're finished, simply press and hold the PlayStation button on your controller for about 10 to 15 seconds until it turns off, disconnecting it from your tablet.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.